Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Discord on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's very easy. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Then search for Discord in the search bar. Go to the Discord application and click on Install. It will appear here. You can open it. Now you can log in using your phone number and email ID. Okay, and then confirm that you're human and you will be in. Now it says new location detected, so you'll have to check your email and give an affirmation. So I will be doing that. Okay, I'm verifying the login. And now I will be able to log in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.